Welcome to the Dawiso Academy. Let's start with a question. Have you ever struggled to find the critical data you need for a decision? But then you spend hours hunting it down, or worse, recreating it from scratch? Or maybe you've wondered what a certain metric actually means. Who is responsible for it? Or what other reports or processes might break if it's changed? These challenges are all too common. Many organizations face difficulties not just in locating their data, but in understanding its meaning, context, and relations. Without a clear system in place, decisions become risky, inefficiencies grow, and compliance with standards like GDPR or SOC can feel overwhelming. That's why we created Dawiso. By helping you organize your data and also enhancing it with AI, Dawiso makes your data easy to find and instantly understandable. It provides the context and metadata needed to see what your data represents, who owns it, and how it fits into the bigger picture. In this series, we'll introduce you to Dawiso. Through practical examples, we'll show how it can transform your approach to data governance. By the end, you'll see how Dawiso helps you streamline processes, improve accuracy, and make better data-driven decisions with less effort. To get started, let's take a look at the foundational building blocks of Dawiso: spaces, applications, and objects. Imagine a library. Objects, in other words, your business assets, like tables, reports, or terms, would be represented by individual books. Spaces are the genres. They group related books together for better organization. And finally, apps define the types of objects a space can hold. Think of them as the formats, like print books, ebooks, or audiobooks. Together, these elements form the backbone of Dawiso. They give you the tools to organize, understand, and access your data effortlessly. Creating a new space in Dawiso is simple. Start by clicking on the Spaces tab on your homepage. Then, select New Space. Once your space is ready, you can organize it further. For example, by adding a subspace. Or you can jump straight into action by adding an application. For more information, refer to our videos on individual apps. So, how can Dawiso make your work easier? Dawiso is built to efficiently and effectively solve common data governance challenges by organizing metadata. In other words, data about data. This helps teams understand their information, which fosters collaboration and smarter decision-making. Now that you have a solid understanding of Dawiso's basics, you're ready to dive into the powerful tools we call knowledge apps. In the next videos, we'll explore the business glossary, documentation, and diagrams apps. These apps will make sure your data is secure, accurate, and always within reach. So, let's get started. Thank you for joining us. We hope this video has deepened your understanding of data governance and demonstrated how Dawiso can effectively support you in your data journey.